In this video, I'll show you how to build a to-do list in Notion, the easiest way to set it up, and how to make it useful enough that you'll actually want to keep using it. The first thing to know is that there are two simple ways to make a to-do list in Notion. The fastest option is a basic to-do block, which Notion describes as a checkbox block for tasks and lists. You can create one by typing / and choosing to-do list, or by using the bracket shortcut. This is great for a quick checklist on a page. But if you want a better long-term system, the smarter option is a database-based to-do list. Notion's project and task guides say a to-do list database is best for simple task management where you want to create, organize, and track tasks in one place. To build that, create a new page and add a list view or table view database. When Notion says you can create a list database from a new page or by typing /list view on any page. Once the database is there, each row becomes a task you can open and edit. Now add the properties that make the to-do list actually useful. A good setup includes a task name, a status property, a date property for due dates, and maybe priority or assignee if you want more structure. Notion's database properties guide highlights checkbox, person, date, and other properties for organizing work, and its status guide says the status property is designed to make task progress clearer. After that, create multiple views. Notion says the same database can be shown in different ways, including list, table, and board views, with filters, sorts, and groups. That means you can keep one view for all tasks, another for today, and another for completed. You can even use a board grouped by status if you want a simple Kanban-style task list. A really smart trick is filtering out finished tasks so the list stays clean. And if you want recurring tasks, Notion says repeating database templates can automatically create new entries daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also improve the system with buttons. Notion says button blocks can create new pages in a database, which is useful if you want a quick Add Task button on your dashboard. So the easiest way to build a to-do list in Notion is to start with a database, add useful properties like status and due date, create filtered views, and keep it simple enough that you'll actually use it every day. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.